My name is Neil Minnaar, and thank you for joining me on the Keep Talking to Neil and Jason webpage. I guess the reason you have come to this page is to find out just how we can change your life. Well, allow me to share with you in just a few moments how we can do exactly that. You see, our passion is you. It's you that gets us up in the morning. Why, you may ask, why you?
Excellent question, Neil. Why you? Well, are you aware that Neil and I desire this and to empower others through the power of their own mind? You see, too often people think that knowledge is power. However, that sadly is a misquote. The truth of the matter is that knowledge is not power, but the implementation of knowledge is power. Keeping this in mind, all of the workshops that we at Keep Talking to Neil and Jason offer are interactive and results driven, and we guarantee you that you will have a fun time while learning.
We also train people from all industries how to prepare and deliver an effective presentation, how to have a beginning, how to have a middle, or what we call the body, and a conclusion, as well as using powerful tools such as our voice, our body, using your body language, and silence to accentuate and enhance your presentation. You know, voice and body are two effective tools that we were given. We didn't have to go and find or study for. They are there. We are blessed with them, and we can use them in an effective presentation.
One of the biggest problems that we have in society today revolves around people being stressed. There's always been stress in the world. We understand that and we acknowledge that. The problem is not stress itself, but rather the attitude that we have in society nowadays towards stress. Stress so often nowadays is worn as a badge of honor, that stress has become the number one killer in the world. How stressed are you? The workshop that we offer, titled Never Go Swimming with Cement Shoes On, will help you cope, deal, and learn new techniques around stress management. So if you want to be healthier, if you want to not allow stress to suck you down into that rabbit hole, let us know. Come find out more about our workshop.
I bet you've heard these words or spoken them yourself 1,000 times. There are just not enough hours in the day. Well, is that fact or is it fiction? In my presentation, It's About Time, I teach you how to use every minute of the day effectively.
Irrespective of the industry that you're in, you will find that everything that we offer is applicable to you. And what takes it to another level as well is the flexibility that Neil and I show when we move from one industry to another industry, adapting and adjusting the examples and the scenarios that we create to suit the industry that our client who has employed us for that moment in time is in. So it does not matter if you're a small business with only a handful of staff, or you're a big corporate with a massive corporate offices where you want many of your staff trained. Email us, phone us. Let us discuss exactly what we could do for you to take you and your business to the next level. Neil and I both look forward to hearing from you.